This is our Constitution Go Fish game. As with each of our games, there's a little booklet that comes with it. In the beginning of the book, it describes the different games you can play. And then there's a paragraph for each of the images on the cards. And the paragraph describes kind of everything you need to know about that thing in history. Then, when you open the book, all of the cards come wrapped, and we've undid them here for you. And as you see, we have cards in the first category, principles. Second category, legislative branch. Third category, executive branch. Judicial power. Founding fathers. Bill of Rights. Amendments. Constitutional Convention. Checks and balances. Separation of powers. Preamble. And Supreme Court cases. Once again, this is our Constitution Go Fish game.